Hello. Rotisserie chicken in the microwave for 20 minutes. I will show you the end product. Just watch the whole video. So, very, very simple. Sprinkle half the packet onto your chicken. I place my chicken breast side down. Yes, I washed my hands. So you start with the breast side down. Do your chicken the way you like. If you don't have this little packet, I do, so it's really good. Why bother doing it from scratch when they did? Turn it around. I don't know if you can see, I've got a little bit of butter under the skin of the chicken as well. That's not on the packet, that's just how I do it. There we go. Could have put more underneath, I guess. All right, let's go back. Save some skin there. No big deal. Now this packet will also, the drippings will taste really good, and I'll be making gravy with the drippings as well. Hang on a second, be right back. Now what I'm using right now is the round steamer. If you have the square steamer, it works just as good as the round steamer, except that's the only thing I find. With the square steamer, when you're doing something heavy like a chicken, you want the sides to be a little bit sturdier. My lid on, now it's sturdy. So I'll be placing this in the microwave with the lid on for 20 minutes. I'll come back in 20 minutes and show you the end result. Hi. The microwave just beeped. I am putting mittens on because it can be hot. It's been 20 minutes. See it together. Now I don't know if you noticed, when I took it out of the microwave, I made sure that these holes were not towards me, that the vent holes. That's where the steam comes out. Are you ready? There you go. The chicken is ready. See all the water at the bottom? That's not grease, that's from the steam. And remember, I had some butter underneath it and the spices. So I'll be making gravy with it. It smells good. Let's see on the inside. I'll cut a little piece out for you. Let's take a look. Perfect. Perfect, perfect rotisserie chicken in the microwave, and it is juicy. Amazing. Bye.